guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a zoom effect in Final Cut Pro. In this video, we're going to use the Final Cut Pro alternative, Filmora. This effect can add a professional touch to your videos, so let's get started. First, open your project in Filmora and select the clip where you want to apply the zoom effect. Drag and drop the clip onto your timeline. To begin, click on the clip in your timeline to select it. Then, go to the Transform tab in the toolbar above the preview window. This is where you'll find all the tools to adjust your clip. Now, to create a zoom effect, you'll need to set keyframes. Keyframes are markers that define the start and end points of your zoom. Move the playhead to the point in your clip where you want the zoom to begin. Click on the animation button in the toolbar and choose Custom. This will allow you to set your keyframes. Make sure you are at the starting point of your zoom and adjust the scale settings to zoom in or zoom out. Add a keyframe by selecting the Add Keyframe button. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom effect to end. Adjust the scale settings again to your desired level of zoom. Add another keyframe at this position. Filmora will automatically create a smooth transition between the two keyframes, giving you a nice, smooth zoom effect. To adjust the speed or smoothness of the zoom, you can drag the keyframes closer together for a faster zoom or further apart for a slower zoom. You can preview your zoom effect by playing the clip in the timeline. If you need any adjustments, you can go back and tweak the keyframes until you get the effect just right. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth zoom effect in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!